Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Kareem again. Today I have someone with me. He's from Turkey. His name is Mehmat Ali and he's doing business here in Uganda. He has been here for 3 years. Baki ye ki khud batate hain, he'll tell you about himself. I was really actually surprised and inspired that because sabko pata hai, I was there in Turkey like 3 weeks back and I just met someone from Turkey and he's going to tell you about himself. Yes, Mr. Mehmat Ali, how are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine, thank you brother, thank you so much. So Mr. Ali, how long have you been in Uganda?
3 years.
3 years?
3 years.
Wow, okay, and you are alone or with your family?
With family.
With family, okay. So, are there also many Turkish people? Because I'm really surprised. Like, are there also more Turkish people?
Yes, in Uganda, too much Turkish people.
Oh, too much Turkish people.
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay. And they're all doing business?
Yes, another business, wholesale business and car business, manufacturing, something.
Like that, okay. So, and this restaurant that you have, how long have you been running it?
This restaurant, 7 months.
It's almost 7 months. All right, okay. So, in Turkey, you're from Istanbul?
Yes, from Istanbul.
And how do you find the weather difference between Turkey and Uganda?
Yes, Uganda weather is very good.
Uganda weather is very good?
Yes, because here not cold. Here all years
it's the same.
Standard
is the
yes,
same.
Standard, same.
So Mr. Ali is saying like Uganda's weather is better, like because it remains all year the same, right?
Yes, yes,
perfect.
Yes.
Okay. And any Turkish brother, if they watch your video, would you recommend them to come to Uganda and try business opportunities here?
Yes, Uganda for business, for live, very good country.
Okay,
yes,
very good country. Right.
They can try.
They can try,
yes.
Right, okay. And you have also Pakistani friends?
Yes, yes, we have Pakistani friends. My one doctor is from Pakistan, working his medical hospital.
Oh, okay. Here in Uganda?
Yeah, yes,
oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. So he's in Uganda, but he's from Pakistan,
yes,
and he's a doctor.
Yes.
Oh, mashallah. Okay, that's very good. Okay. And the business opportunities, like, do you think it's equal for everybody, or is it like different for when you see like opportunities in Uganda? Like for Turkish people, is also the same as Pakistani and Indian people, or is it the same, or is it like different? What do you feel?
No, same.
It's the same, right?
Same.
And okay, and you also get love over here and respect from Ugandan people as being Turkish?
Yes, all people same.
No that's problem. Very good. That's very
Uganda,
good.
Uganda, Pakistani,
and Turkish and everybody.
Yes,
very good. And you want to say something in Turkish? You will be watching like that.
Uganda çok güzel. Uganda'ya gelip çalışabilirsiniz.
About the business, about the weather, about people.
Yaşanabilecek bir ülke. Burada imkanlar güzel. Yani yurt dışına çıkıp bir şeyler yapmak isteyen insanlar buraya gelip çalışabilirler.
Right. Okay. Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay. Can you tell me the address over here? Which place is this?
Here address Centenary Park, Jinja Road.
Right.
Behind Oasis Mall.
Behind Oasis Mall,
yes.
Jinja Road, Centenary Park, and the name is Caravan, right?
Caravan Restaurant.
Perfect. And what time do you operate? What are the working hours so people know what you open? What time?
9
in the morning.
In morning and 11 night.
Okay. And is it 7 days a week?
Yes.
And what type of food do you serve? Like local, Turkish, or mixed?
We are making continental food, pizza and Turkish kebabs.
Oh wow, Turkish kebabs too. All right, perfect. So people who love Turkish kebabs, they can come here. Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Ali. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
You're welcome.
you.
Shukr.